gidsen krijgen, gidsen krijgen, gidsen krijgen, gidsen krijgen.
Were there a lot of like accident like travel? Yeah.
Barely ever. People are, even though it might seem we're chaotic on the bike, we're kind of organized. Pay attention, yeah. Especially since there's a new law, you can't use your phone anymore on the bike, which I'm really, I think it's a good idea because
Before
it's
they were
dangerous.
you were using
Yeah, you could.
phones
People
on
were on their phone, on their smartphone most likely. It's dangerous.
Yeah, I
Okay, we
think
stopped here at this sad-looking little green piece, which is an official park, a real park. It's the smallest park in the world.
I mean that one.
This little thing over here, yeah. It looks a bit sad. I think the heat of the past weeks dried it out.
It's so cute.
This was made by an artist, a Dutch artist who wanted to make a bit of a statement. Because in his opinion, our country is a bit over-regulated, and I kind of agree with that. We have a lot of rules for many things. And also a lot of things are already completely set in stone. So for example, all the area in our country have a function, or an appointed function. So where we're standing right now is city space. If you go out to the countryside, you come into agricultural land. If you're in a forest, you're in a recreation space. So every square meter has an appointed function. And if you want to change that, there's a whole process. So he tried to do that anyway. He tried to get approval to make a park in the city center. So change a bit of city space to park. It took him 6 years to get approval, but in the end he was allowed to make this tiny park. And he wanted to make a bit of a point and say we need more parks, we need more greenery, especially in cities. Everything is stone and concrete, which is not the best, especially for the environment. So with this he hoped to spark a bit of a movement toward that. To allow to make a park here, he had to do 3 things. He had to make greenery in the park, which there kind of is, but it's a bit died out. There had to be a pond with water, and normally I believe it's over here, but that also dried out. And thirdly, there had to be a place where people could sit and relax. So there was a little wooden bench, yes. So that's the story about this cute park. Okay, we're gonna
But
have.
nobody's taking care of it.
No, it seems that way.
a little bit. I think someone does.
Well, it looked a lot better a couple
It
months
looks a lot better, yeah. But it changes how it looks. So someone is doing something about it.
Maybe
It's been hot, not so much. True, we need to. Okay guys, we're gonna go that way.